This tool I'm getting ready to show you is going to change how you create your Benable list forever. You can literally shop and make Benable list at the same time. We're heading straight into the Chrome store. Don't panic, it's not scary and it's so easy. Right in the top middle of your screen, it says search extensions and themes, and right there you're going to type in the word Benable. Benable's just popped up. Let's click it and we're going to add to Chrome right here in the top right corner. Then you get a pop-up from Benable that says it's added it to Chrome. And if you have more than one computer, you can turn on sync and it will sync up all of your computers. Yes, I'm in. Next, we want to pin it so we always see it in the top right corner. See that little jigsaw piece right there? You're going to click that. Then you're going to find Benable and you're going to click the thumbtack. X out of that, and now you see the Benable logo icon right there. Pinned means it's always right there when you need it. So now let's shop. Let's see how this works. I need to make a list for my pups. And I already know that Benable has Chewy as one of their brands. So right here's Chewy's page. I already have pet beds in because I'm going to add my favorite pet beds that I actually own that I use for my tiny pups. The first one is right here. It's this cute little tent bed. I definitely want this on my Benable list. So I'm going over to click that icon in the top right corner. Now it's going to ask me to log into Benable. Now all you have to do is sign in, and you only have to do that once. And from this point on, it will just always come up automatically. Let's go back to Chewy and get this bed. So this is the bed that I want. I'm going to go up and click Benable. And now you see the link to the tent right at the top. All I have to do is choose the list I want it to go in. Add. Now, just like I showed you in the other videos, you want to take this little title and you want to clean it up till you like it. I'm going to say covered tent dog bed because this isn't for my cat. And I'm going to take out all that. I'm going to go ahead and add these two as my pictures. I'm double checking that my link is on, which it is. And then I click next. And this is where you put a short, cute description of something that's your perception, your 2 cents, your thoughts about this bed with your dog. This one is her favorite. Done. So now I've been shopping on Chewy. I see stuff I like. I throw it over to my list. That is so easy. It shows you right here that it's successfully added to Benable. And I can click edit on Benable and it will take me right to the list. Because maybe I don't want to make my edits right now. Maybe I just want to shop. So I know I need to do some shopping for my skincare. So I'm on Ulta right now. I know Benable represents that brand. I want to add my favorite sunscreen. Supergoop makes a great one that I love using when I go to the pool here. But I don't have a list for this to go on yet. But that's okay. Click Benable. You have the link here to the sunscreen. I want to create a new list. I'm going to give it the name. I don't have time to create a cute name right now. So I'm just going to call this skincare. And I'm going to save and create it. But I'm going to make sure this is hidden. So you have a public and you have a hidden. I'm clicking hidden because I don't want anyone to see it yet. I'm going to save and create. I don't want to make any edits just now. So I'm going to next add note and I'm going to say add later. And now let's go to edit on Benable. And so you can see this list. There it is. So now I have a skincare list that's made with my first item in it and I can edit it all I want. And as soon as I have 15 things in this list, I will make it public. But until then, it stays private. And don't forget, always check your links. Make sure your affiliate links are there. This Chrome extension is having like a little personal assistant. So now you're monetizing your random 11 p.m. retail therapy. You're welcome. Time for a mini mindset pep talk. You're not just sharing products here. You're building digital real estate. Every list is like a little storefront working while you're asleep. That's passive income, baby. Now, if you need help figuring what lists to make and where to share them, that's exactly what we're doing in the Content Creators Hub. We have more than 370 members and they're all brand new creators just like you trying to figure things out. We even meet for coffee every Friday. So the link to the hub is in the description below if you want to join us. Hey, I want you to hit like and subscribe if you've ever shopped online for 2 hours and ended up buying nothing but you still felt exhausted. At least now those hours might earn you money. Hit those comments and tell me your favorite places to shop online. And then let me know how you're going to create a list around that. Next up, we're going to be talking about how to share your Benable list, how to invite friends, and how to get people to click and buy. I can't wait.